Casting his vote at the Little Flower School in Malki, the sitting MDC and NPP candidate from Laitumkhrah-Malki constituency, Fantin Joseph Lakadong, spoke to the media and exuded confidence in winning the MDC election 2025. Lakadong stressed on his contributions and availability to his people when needed.
I'm confident and I'm sure that people will elect me once again because of my hard work, my dedication, my contribution. Like I always tell everyone, I focus only on my work, so I don't know about others and how tough it is. Also, it's very difficult for me to answer that. Because of my contribution in the district council, it comes to policy making, law making, and also development work, and also my availability for the people. So that is the 3 points that people should vote for me again.
Meanwhile, Cabinet Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh stated that the NPP in East Khasi Hills this time around is in a comfortable position and will do better.
So this time, after having tested the other populist party and after having made enormous amounts of promises which have all not yielded results, the NPP in East Khasi Hills this time around is far more comfortable. And people now are realizing and calling the bluff a bluff. So we will do better this time. The government in the state is of paramount importance. We are partners with the UDP and we will partner again with the UDP. So the people have a choice, vote for UDP or NPP. But parties like the INC were in government with us in the district council, the EC. So they were partners in the EC for the 2.5 years, and this 2.5-year relationship has already made inroads into the politics of the state as of today. There's a third and a fourth and maybe independents, these independent candidates. Party is in touch and collaboration with even the independent candidates. Wherever they are strong, we are partnering to the furthest extent possible. We have not compromised on the vote bank of the NPP. Where it was not necessary, we have not fielded candidates because there was no point in splitting some of the constituencies in their vote choices. But when you come to a party like the VPP, they've just recently been tested. And I think the tall promises made by them is going to be the cause of their own problems. It's not like NPP is creating a problem for anyone, but a party like that, which is very regional in nature, even in their approach, even in their subject matters, even in their agendas, are creating problems for themselves only. So we do not isolate parties. We are a very popular government. Most of the parties are in government with us in the state. We will need the same partnership even in the district council. Because these two governments, more or less, when you say an EC is like a form of a governance there, we need to work together.
Lyngdoh hinted of a post-poll alliance within the Executive Council, saying that the NPP is a popular government and that it does not isolate parties. She also lashed out at the VPP and their approach and questioned the tall promises made by the party.